How to fade in and fade out a video in PowerDirector. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fade in and fade out a video in PowerDirector. So without further delay, let's get started. Launch PowerDirector. After that, import a media in your PowerDirector and then drag the video to the timeline. Once you have your video on the timeline, click on the video, navigate to this toolbar at the top left corner and head towards the transitions option and then click on it. Now on the transition, click on search transition and then type in fade and search for fade. Now you can select the first option here that says fade. Click on this and you have to drag this fade effect into your video on the timeline. So you can just place it at the beginning or at the front of your video in order to add fade in. Now you can click on this effect and then with the help of this dragger, you can click on it and then drag in order to increase its duration. After that, if you play your video from the beginning, you will have a fade in effect in your video. Now to apply fade out, you have to repeat the same process. Head towards the transition and then search for fade. Again, you have to click on this fade and then you have to drag it at the end of this video and then leave it here. Now again, to increase its duration, click on this fade up effect and then click on this dragger and then you can drag it in order to increase the duration. Now once you play your video, you will see the fade out effect in your video. So in this way you can add fade in and fade out in PowerDirector on a video, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.